What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with a money making video straight through the internet into your phones, devices, laptops, tablets, whatever, into your lives. Um, our purpose is to help people make money online so that they can change lives, okay? So you can actually live the life that you want to live and have the options that would make you a happier person, help your family be happier. In this video, we're going to be talking about a marketing content creator at a company called PiePacker. And before we jump into it, I do invite you to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. That way you can be in the know whenever a new lead is dropped. All right. This is a remote work from anywhere position, so you can literally be a digital nomad. You could have a tiny house or a schoolie, a house on wheels, whatever. You could be flying to Ibiza, you could be flying to Bali, Indonesia, you could be flying to Jakarta, you could be flying to Pattaya, Thailand, and still have this job. Okay, now for some reference, today is the 14th of February 2022. Happy Valentine's Day to you. And at this time, it is 10:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, this will be posted on the 15th of February, that's tomorrow, 2022. Okay, now one thing you need to pay attention to is the fact that at this time, or at the time of recording, this was posted 4 hours ago. All right, 4 hours ago. When you come to this website, because there is a link in the description to this lead, you will see this chain link looking thingy. That, if you press it, it will take you to the company's website. All right, so let's see what PiePacker has to offer. All right, timeless retro games, online multiplayer, video chat, free and legal retro gaming with friends. Look, it's Urokadaki's mask. Anyways, a bit of Demon Slayer humor there. PiePacker is only available on desktop, so enter your email for further instructions. So with PiePacker, they pack all the old school Nintendo. I don't know if they have things from Sega Genesis, Nintendo 64, stuff like that, but all the retro gaming platforms right at your desktop. And here's an example: Twin Dragons, Worms World Party, Xeno Crisis. Okay? Alright? Glover, Micromaniacs Racing, Beast Ball, Misplaced. Now, it doesn't say how far back they go, right? But I'm pretty sure there are some pretty decent games on here, some very good classics. Exclusive original retro games, PiePacker. So if you're a gamer and you're into retro games in particular, then this is a home run for you and yours. Okay, now okay, so the marketing, and you'll be in the marketing and business development team. Real quickly, it's a remote job again, so you don't work in office, you work from a separate location like your home, coffee shop, the beach, wherever you have internet and your device. Okay, now PiePacker is a social and low-tech friendly cloud gaming platform powered by a global full remote team. Our mission is all about bringing people together through games with a touch of childhood playfulness and creativity. Our platform, beta.piepacker.com, is designed to be as accessible as possible to everyone and in constant development. So it's available directly from a web browser. It does not require a high-speed internet connection to provide a seamless multiplayer game experience. That sounds awesome. Okay, so you don't need high-tech, high-spec stuff. You just need internet and, yeah, just a web browser. Next, We're at the stage where we're growing our social media activities and want to produce a lot more original content across all of our channels. Our marketing team is looking to onboard an experienced content wizard who lives and breathes video editing, mobile digital formats such as TikTok, verticals, so like Instagram Reels and so forth, and who is keen to help us develop our social media presence. This role involves creating original content every week, pitching new content ideas, as well as posting across our video channels and interacting with the rest of our community. Experience in social media management and dealing with entertainment brands are a must here. Driven by a strong inclusive culture, we welcome creative, self-starting, fast-learning, autonomous, and talented folks wishing to have fun in our very collaborative team. So here's what you'll be doing at work. You will create fun and interactive content for our different social media initiatives, such as game announcements, events, collaborations, etc. You will create video templates for our creative agencies. This scope includes video editing and motion design, which is preferred, alright, and a great amount of static work as well. So they work with Adobe Creative Suite and Figma. So you'll do videos and imagery and so on. Now, you will own the YouTube and TikTok channel content strategy and production. You will support our team in posting fun new content across our social channels. So the strategy is yours. It's up to you to determine how you want to go about doing this thing. Okay? So the strategy is yours. Now, you'll always have the opportunity to pitch your ideas and help develop relationships with our community ambassadors, influencers, and game developers. So here's what the company is looking for from you to qualify for that role. Proven minimum 2 to 3 previous experience in creating content for social media channels. Real appetite for social media in general. So YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. If you are on those, you use them, you're good at them, you naturally have that stuff going on in your life. Yeah. Real. Next, you are a trend hunter, self-starter, and love to interact with friends online. You're curious, proactive, autonomous, and not afraid to ask questions. You have a passion for retro video games and party games or board games. Now, some additional important details to note. The workplace, you are fully remote. Live where you want, under a rock, in a hole, on a pole. Anywhere. Once you have your device and internet and you can get your work done, you're good. The type of contract is a 6-month fixed term contract, and there's the possibility to get a permanent contract after this. So it is not a permanent role. You will be working on a contractual basis. Start date, they want you to start immediately, right away. Languages, English is required, definitely. French is preferred, but not mandatory. So if you're a native English speaker, you have a foot in. Now, what to expect from the process? First, exchange, which is discovery. Next is technical interview, which is a short video edit test. And personality interview with at least 2 leads, including the hiring manager. You'll be part of the marketing team, very close to the social media manager, and will also interact with the designers and business development team. PiePacker is an equal opportunity employer, and we proudly value and promote diversity in our team. We do not discriminate on the basis of ethnicity, religion, color, national origin, gender, sexual orientation, age, marital status, World of Warcraft faction, or disability status. That was funny. And they're not going to discriminate based on your World of Warcraft faction. Funny. So why PiePacker? At the heart of PiePacker's mission is the creation of a new way to share games with friends and family. A free online place for gamers to play and hang out together with video cameras, bringing back the golden era of multiplayer couch gaming. In a world of constraining internet connections and paid services, we think differently. We are building a free, low-tech friendly platform for everyone to jump in directly from their browser. Directly from their browser. So they want you to have free, low-tech friendly platforms where everyone can jump in directly from their browser. Our platform is social by design and packed with fun games curated by our community. We want to create new virtual social spaces that fundamentally diverge from today's typical social networks, focusing a lot less on appearance and a lot more on experience. We are building a social gaming platform for all gamers who enjoy playing together. Our startup has been growing very quickly since the end of 2020, attracting more than 40 gaming talents from developers and social media experts to designers. In June 2021, we introduced our cloud gaming beta platform featuring 100 plus licensed games, including titles from industry renowned publishers such as Codemasters, Interplay, Team 17, and Data East. Discovered and supported by Y Combinator, which runs Twitch, Reddit, Stripe, etc. Our board of advisors include former Sega CEO Kenji Matsuada, Zynga co-founders Justin Waldron and Tom Bolich, Crunchyroll's Kun Gao, and Humble Bundle's Jeffrey Rosen. Big names, with more than 500,000 players who have joined us so far, and we are on the lookout for talented and motivated folks who share our passion for gaming and want to make a real impact while embracing a true startup spirit, which would include autonomy, transparency, user centricity, and so on. And when you come here, if you are definitely interested in applying for this role, press this button. Okay? Apply for the job. If you are a gamer at heart and you have no idea how to put together a resume or cover letter or anything like that, then you can check the description below for a link that takes you to a website called Canva. Canva is absolutely free, just like signing up for PiePacker. Okay? PiePacker is absolutely free. You just sign up and you can be on your way to start gaming. So check that link below. If you love gaming and you love this job and you still want to make money on the side, check out the other links. You can actually build a business that runs by itself. Of course, you check on it periodically, but it basically runs by itself. And you can be making money while working for a gaming company. Isn't that awesome? I think it is. So guys, go ahead, check it out. If you have someone who loves video games, especially retro games, and they are looking for work online, send them the link. Don't be mean. Don't be shy. Send them the link. If they're annoying, then it's possible that they'll be so busy that they can't annoy you. You dig? So, check that out. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, make money online. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, alright? Peace.